darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun, but when you gotta wake up, when you gotta wake up and fight. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. When you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. When you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. When you gotta wake up and fight for yourself.
All of this, it's a trick. You had to make it look convincing. I know how we can kill Dahlia.